In the 18th question, it is given the difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degree. Consecutive interior angles of a polygon, the difference is 5 degree. Smallest angle is 120 degree. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay. Is there something missing in this question? On the first look, looks like there's something missing. But then the person says a polygon and he talks about interior angles of the polygon. So let's draw this polygon over here. Let's see. So the sides or the angles for that matter, let's call this angle 1, this angle 2, this angle 3 and so and so. This is the nth angle, let's suppose. Right? This is the nth angle. Okay. We can call them theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 as well because angles are denoted by theta. So you can call this theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and correspondingly theta n. The important thing to note over here is that between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon, difference is 5 degree. So between any two consecutive, difference is 5 degree and smallest angle is 120 degree. Let's call this theta 1 as the smallest angle, 120 degree, and the difference will be 5 degrees, so this becomes 125 degree. Okay, and so on and so forth. Right? Since 120 is the smallest angle, the next angle will be bigger, the next angle will be bigger. You would say, okay, sir, is there some issue in this? Yes, there's one small issue in this. The differences will be 5 degree, 5 degree, 5 degree, but at this stage, you will reach an angle which is very large, right? And just after that, between these two consecutive angles, the difference will not be 5 degree. I completely agree with that. But we can live with that kind of conclusion, right? We have that in mind, but differences between all of these angles up till this stage is 5 degree. Between these two, it is not 5 degree, it will be different, right? Okay. Find the number of sides of the polygon. So, number of sides is equal to number of angles, right? This is first side, second side, third side, fourth side, fifth side, and nth side. So, number of sides is also equal to n, which is question mark, right? Okay. What else do we know about these? We know first term, common difference, and we are asked the number of terms. But there is a need of another particular information. What is that information? Are we missing something? Let's read the question again. We are not missing anything as such. But since it is a polygon, do we know the sum of interior angles from somewhere else? Not from arithmetic progression, but some other concepts. Yes, 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 yes. Sum of all interior angles of polygon is equal to what? Various triangles, right? Any two sides will give a triangle, right? And any extra side will give another triangle. So what you'll have is, this is n minus 2 times 180 degree. 180 degree. This is what you have, right? Yes. Okay. What else? What else? Since you know this sum of all interior angles, you can easily say, therefore, 120 degree plus 125 degree plus 130 degree plus dot 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 plus theta n is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Can you say that? Yes. And what is the sum equal to? Sum is number of terms by 2. Since this is an arithmetic progression, 2 times 120, which is 240 degree, plus n minus 1 times common difference, which is 5 degree, and this is n minus 2 times 180 degree. I hope that's okay. Yes, that looks pretty simple. We have an equation in terms of n. Can we solve this equation to get the value of n? Yes, we can. Let's do it. This 2 can be brought over here. This is 240 degree times n. Now let's forget those degrees. You know, this is a degree term, this is a degree term, this is a degree. Some units are consistent, right? And n is a number after that. So let's forget those degrees. This is 240 n. It will not make a difference, therefore. Okay, 240 n plus 5n times n minus 1, which is 5n square minus 5n is equal to 180 times 2 is 360 n minus 720. This is what you will get. Okay, let's write it as 5n square. 240 and 360 will be minus 120, minus 5 is minus 125n, and plus 720. This is the equation that we are getting. Can we divide with 5? Yes. So simplified form will be n square minus 25n plus, what is this? 1, 22 will be 4, 4. Okay, 144. So factorize this 144 to get the sum 25. It's simple. 144 is 12 into 12, but 12 plus 12 is not 25. So we can go, we need to increase the sum, right? So 12, you can reach 9, and 9 into 16 is also 144. So this 9 plus 16 is 25. That tells me n will be equal to 9 or n will be equal to 16. So there are two possible polygons for which will have the similar condition. Seems so. But I'll tell you that one of these answers is wrong. Why is that wrong? And which answer is wrong? There should be some reason for that, right? Yes. Do you observe that all of these are interior angles of a polygon? Yes. Let's see. What will be the biggest angle in case of n equals to 9? So the biggest angle in case of n equals 9 will be 120 plus 9 minus 1 times 5 degree, which is 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 120 is 160 degree will be the biggest angle in this case. In this case, the biggest angle, largest angle, or theta n will be equal to 160 degree. In this case, 16 minus 1 is 15 times 5, a plus n minus 1d. So 16 minus 15 times 5 will be 75 plus 120. 75 plus 120 will be 195. In this case, it will be 195 degree. 195 looks okay, it will be a convex angle, but that's not an issue. My concern is different. My concern is that if you go from 120 and you reach 195, you would have reached, this angle would be 190. Yes. This angle will be 185. Yes. This angle will be 180 degree. A 180 degree angle, what does that look like? Oh, if this is 185, then if this is 180, or you could say that this is a 180 degree angle means that it will be on a straight line. Yes. So will that be an interior angle of polygon? For any polygon, do you have 180 degree as interior angle in any case? The answer is obviously no. You don't have 180 degree angle because this is 180 degree, right? So for any polygon, you don't have 180 degree as interior angle. You just jump from here to here. Okay. So is this 195 degree okay? No, this is not okay because of that. 180 degree is not a possible angle for a polygon, right? So 195, this n equals 16 is not okay. N is equal to 9 is okay, and therefore n is equal to 9 is my final answer. With proper understanding and logic, then n equal to 16 is incorrect. That's the correct answer for this question number 18th, as you can see over here. Right? With this, we come to the conclusion of this particular exercise from the chapter Sequence and Series. Till the next video, all the best.